Oh, there you are. I was just about to investigate some strange behavior reported by Argo in our southern oceans. Come on, I'll show you. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the platform page I alluded to in my previous video. Each float comprises of many profiles, and we are going to view multiple profile data, grouped by the float, aka platform, that we need. Note that the words float and platform are used interchangeably. The platform is colloquially called a float, and I use that in speech, but in writing, I'll use platform. This is so that I don't get confused with the 32-bit data type called float. Thanks for understanding. With that out of the way, let's go to the Southern Stereographic page of Argovis. Clicking on any profile opens a pop-up. You can visit this Platforms page by clicking the To Platform Page link. Before we follow the link, I want to show you a few more platform viewing features on this page. The Position History button shows you where each profile is located. You can now see where this float has been. These dots are in gray, in order to distinguish between the other profiles. Let's clear the page so we can hone in on this history. If you know the platform number, you could type it in this text box. If a match is found, then the profiles are marked by orange dots. It's rather nifty to get a sense where these floats have been. What do we have here? It seems there is a large jump. Have we discovered an error? Let's investigate. Clicking on any of these profiles and following the link will bring us to the platform page. The platform page now has a color chart. For both charts, y-axis is pressure, and the x is cycle number. Color on top is temperature, and on bottom, it is salinity. We see a similar level of interaction, only now when you click on a data point, a page opens up for that corresponding profile. Do you see how there are sub-zero temperatures on the surface? The gap seen is most likely due to the float drifting under ice. The floats detect ice if the temperature gets too low. When this happens, the floats will plummet back down so they avoid bumping into ice, potentially damaging the float. Since the data isn't reported, the data for the profile is lost, hence the gap. I have included a scrollable table that shows the profile's metadata. You can download this table in either of these formats by clicking either of these buttons. You can also download this data just how we did for profiles in the last tutorial. This link takes us to another page with charts like those seen by the profile page. Remember these? Each profile gets its own color. And that's all there is to report today. In our next video, we will view profile data by selecting date ranges, pressure ranges, and by drawing shapes on a map. This is my favorite part. Stay tuned.